हाय एवरीवन, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। मिस्टेक्स बहुत सारी होती हैं,
Right.
आई हैव मेड टन्स ऑफ देम। सो डज सुनील सर, आपने भी
Yeah,
करी
yeah,
होंगी?
definitely.
एनी वन वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट यू लाफ अबाउट इट राइट नाउ?
Sir, even just about thinking also, I'm just laughing about that thing only. This was very silly, and I think 90% of us engineers might have done this one. I was offloading this. I offloaded one generator, and after 2-3 minutes, I wanted to stop it. In the meantime, second engineer was in this ECR only. He asked me something, and because this synchro panel and all is on one place only, so I was talking to him, and I pulled up one stop, and I stopped the running generator, and suddenly this dub and all blackout and lights on and off, and I could not understand what mistake I did. Then I realized. I mean, immediately, yeah.
The running generator has
Yeah,
been stopped.
I had stopped a running generator which was on
which was
full
on load,
load,
full
and luckily the ship was in open sea, and we are running at full speed. We are running at full speed, and I have done this silly mistake. So after that one, still that time I got worried. What can happen? But then later on I realized these are the mistakes which anybody can do. So,
Anybody, I'll share with you.
Yeah.
Second engineer on board ship. Ship's name was Aspen Spirit.
Okay.
I'm sailing on the ship.
Right.
I'm sitting. No, ship's name. चलो ship का नाम. Yes, I guess Aspen Spirit. तो me and chief engineer sitting together. We are doing some paperwork. Mail भेजना है company को.
Right.
Third engineer, it is about 5 o'clock. He's about to knock off. So he's offloading one generator, and so he has started another generator, taking it on load and offloading this generator and then stopping it.
Right.
So what he has done is the one generator is on load. He started another generator,
Yeah.
taken it on load. Now he has to stop this generator because he's offloaded
Yeah.
generator. He's listening to us what we are talking.
Right.
He stops the running generator. Suddenly we say, अरे क्या हो गया? 3 सब is running out. सेकंड साहब आता हूँ, भागा भाग जाके जनरेटर चालू करने के लिए. Oh God! By the time when he came back, मैंने बोला क्या बात, चलता हुआ जनरेटर बंद कर देता? जी साहब, चलता हुआ जनरेटर बंद कर दिया. मतलब this is common. This is
Yeah,
common.
this is very common.
So rule number 1, guys, common should not become very common.
Yeah.
Always when you are working on generator, make sure that ये सब कांड ना हो जिसके अंदर भाई कि तुम
Especially on the synchro panel. After that, what I used to do is I used to wear the helmet with earmuffs on, especially when I am on this one, so that I'm just not listening to what people are talking or what they are not, so that I am fully concentrated on that one. Although it was extreme, but I followed it. Even when now I am chief engineer, whenever I see somebody doing this one, I'm just scared that please God, they should not do something like that. So this can happen. So we have to be careful for that.
So guys, with this all I can say is don't make mistakes. If you make mistakes, don't repeat mistakes. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी.